Noswaith dda bawb, a chroeso mawr I chi gyd I noson agored.
Good evening everyone and welcome to our open evening. 2020 will be the year you'll remember forever. It'll be the year when you leave your primary school behind and start your secondary education at the new Ysgol Llanfyllin through school.
Mae'n ddechrau ar antur andros o fawr, a heno yw'r cam cyntaf. Hoffwn I chi eistedd yn ôl am ychydig o funudau tra byddem yn cyflwyno ein hysgol gydol oes newydd yn ein cyflwyniad byr.
As from September next year, you'll be part of our bilingual school, so what expectations do you have? Here, at Llanfyllin, we always put the needs of the learner first. We have a strong pastoral and academic system, and I'd like to explain what I mean by this. When you start here, you'll be part of a tutor group who are registered together every morning. Here, you'll be able to discuss the previous day's lessons and plan for the day to come. You'll also have assemblies on the whole variety of themes for the rest of your year group.
Unwaith y byddwch wedi treulio amser gyda'ch tiwtor, byddwch yn cael 6 gwers o 50 munud o hyd, ond bydd yr rhain yn cael ei rhannu fel eich bod yn cael egwyl eich unio. Bydd hyn yn rhoi cyfle I chi gael bwyd, chwarae efo'ch ffrindiau a mynd i'r tŷ bach. Ym mhob gwers bydd amcanion clir yn cael ei gosod gan eich athrawon, a byddwn nhw'n disgwyl i'r disgyblion gymryd rhan amlwg yn ei dysgu eu hunain. Byddwch yn cael nifer o gyfleoedd yn ystod y gwersi a cadref I wella eich gwaith yn barhaus drwy adborth gan eich athrawon. Golyga hyn y gallwch chi fod y gorau allwch chi fod, a chyrraedd eich potensial ar ddiwedd bob blwyddyn. Rydym hefyd yn ystyried gwahanol ddulliau o ddysgu ac yn teilwrau'n gwersi I weddu eich anghenion unigol chi, drwy wahaniaethu a defnyddio dulliau gwahanol.
We're very proud of the range of subjects we can offer pupils at Key Stage 3, 4 and 5. At Key Stage 3, which will be your first 3 years of high school, we offer all the national curriculum subjects. The core subjects are English, Maths, Science, and Welsh, and statutory religious education is taught. Spiritual and moral aspects of pupils' experiences are well developed through the PSE programme.
Mae abach yn cael ei ddysgu yn ystod amser tiwtor yn y boreau, a byddwch hefyd yn cael siaradwyr gwadd yn dod I fewn I roi sgyrsiau, yn trafod ystod eang o bethau fel diogelwch ar y we. Rydym yn falch iawn o'n dulliau o hyrwyddiog datblygiad moesol, cymdeithasol a diwylliannol ein disgyblion. Rydym hefyd yn trosglwyddo gwersi sgiliau a bydd yn gyfle I chi ddatblygu eich gallu mewn llythrennedd, rhifedd a chymhwysedd digidol drwy brosiectau gwaith, a'ch paratoi chi ar gyfer Bagloriaeth Cymru ym mlwyddyn 10 ac 11.
Mrs Rhiannon Molyneux is our Special Educational Needs Coordinator, and when you're visiting the different departments, she can be found in room 70 next to the reception area. She coordinates a team of very experienced learning support assistants who cover a whole range of needs in order for your child to overcome any barriers they may have. We strongly believe at Llanfyllin that every single child is important and everyone will need different kinds of support in order to achieve your potential. Our most recent Essendon inspection said the pastoral care in the school is outstanding. And we are a nurturing and inclusive caring community. One area we are particularly proud of in the school is called the Hub, a very successful pastoral support area unique to Llanfyllin School and envied by many others. Mrs Helen Lloyd and Mrs Maria Hood have a wealth of experience working with young people, not only having had 5 children between them, but during their academic careers at nursery, primary and secondary schools. Helen and Maria are available during break and lunchtimes to offer advice, support and guidance for every child in the school, no matter what the issue is. Parents can contact the Hub directly via telephone or email for advice too. Helen and Maria are helped out each week by Bobby the dog, who visits the Hub every Friday. Having Bobby in school is an excellent example of how we support pupils who, for whatever reason, may need our help.
Os ydy disgyblion yn teimlo'n sâl yn ystod y diwrnod ysgol, gallai'n tofyn I fynd i'r hwb ar gyfer cyngor neu nôl ffisig os oes angen. Mae gan rai disgyblion anghenion tymor byr neu hir a byddent yn cael cefnogaeth gan yr hwb ble cedwyr eu meddyginiaeth yn saff. Mae man tawel ar gael yno hefyd ar gyfer amser allan neu helpu efo meddyginiaeth os yw'n angenrheidiol. Ein nod yw bod yn galon i'r ysgol a diwallu anghenion pob disgybl waith befo pa mor fach. Dewch am dro I gyfarfod ein tîm os gwelwch yn dda.
Pupil guidance and mentoring is a real strength for the school. Your teachers will input data about you regularly throughout the year, and heads of department and heads of year will review this in relation to your MEGs or minimum expected grades. If necessary, intervention can be put in place so that you do not underachieve. Pupil mentoring can happen in registration or at some stage throughout the day, and depending on the nature of the intervention, it could be with a learning support assistant, teacher or sixth form peer mentor.
Yn Llanfyllin, rydym yn ymfalchio yn ein dulliau o annog ac ymestyn ein disgyblion mwy abal a thalentog. Mae nifer o'n disgyblion mwy abal a thalentog mewn un ardal neu fwy. Gallwn eich sicrhau bod gwahaniaethu yn digwydd ar ei cyfer pan fo'n angenrheidiol mewn gwersi neu mewn gweithgareddau allgyrsiol, fel cwmni theatr y goeden unig, clybiau chwaraeon amrywiol a'r clwb gwyddoniaeth newydd, lle rhoi'r cyfleoedd i'r disgyblion weithio tu allan i'r cwricwlwm.
One of the core aims of the school is to make sure students leave us with excellent examination results. Our recent GCSE results were excellent, outperforming both Powys and Wales in all key indicators. This year, there were a number of individual students who achieved exceptional results, with 6 students achieving all A stars and A grades. The percentage of students achieving 5 or more A star or A grades improved again this year, with 24% improvement in pupils securing the top grades. Results were outstanding in a number of subject areas. For example, 100% of students achieved grades A star or A grades in additional maths, Chinese and Spanish. 100% of students gained an A star to C grade in fine art, textiles, engineering and photography.
Mae ein chweched dosbarth yn parhau gyda'r tueddiad o ganlyniadau gwych. Unwaith eto'r blwyddyn hon, gwelwyd gwelliant yn ein canlyniadau A serenog i A. Pasiodd 100% o'n myfyrwyr gyda bron i hanner y canlyniadau yn raddau A serenog i B, a'r rhan fwyaf o'n canlyniadau yn A serenog i EC.
As one of the largest sixth forms in Powys, we are proud of the fact that nearly all of our pupils achieved the necessary results to embark on their first choice universities, with a number going to their Russell Group choice. These results are achieved by building solid foundations in year 7, 8 and 9, where again our results are well above both Powys and Wales.
Mae adrodd ar gynnydd i chi, rieni, yn rhan allweddol o unrhyw flwyddyn ysgol. Dyma'r hyn y dylech chi ddisgwyl gennym. Adroddiadau interim drwy gydol y flwyddyn, adroddiad llawn unwaith y flwyddyn, a bydd yr rhain yn cynnwys popeth cadarnhaol sydd ynghlwm â chynnydd eich plentyn. Ond hefyd, bydd adran ynddo ar yr hyn y dylai eich plentyn ei wneud mwyn gwella. Bydd noson rieni o gwmpas tachwedd yn ogystal, a bydd hyn yn rhoi cyfle i chi gyfarfod athrawon eich plentyn yn eithaf buan yn y flwyddyn a gweld sut maent yn setlo.
At Llanfyllin, we pride ourselves in the range of extracurricular activities we offer. The PE department run a sports club every lunchtime, which includes football, rugby, hockey, athletics, and many more sports. We have a climbing wall and their own mountain bike track, which are incredibly popular. Our 5x60 officer will make sure you have opportunities to experience sports you may otherwise will not have, and activities take place throughout the school term. We have a really successful annual sports day. We have the chance to represent your schoolhouse in our fantastic grounds.
Mae gennym adran drama hynod o filiog, ac mae clwb drama bob wythnes o'r enw'r goeden unig. Maen nhw wedi rhoi perfformiadau gwych yn ystod y blynyddoedd diweddaraf, ac maent yn gweithio tuag at gynhyrchiad newydd o Cofiwch Fi. Yn cerddoriaeth, mae gennym wersi offerynnol unigol, ac mae croeso i chi ymuno â chor ysgol sy'n canu mewn digwyddiadau amrywiol ac yn y gymuned leol. Maent i'w gweld yn mwynhau eu hunain wastad. Rydym yn cynnal eisteddfod bob blwyddyn, a byddwch yn cael eich rhannu yn 3 thŷ, Tanat, Efyrnwy a Cain. Byddwch yn cynrychioli eich grŵp tiwtor a'ch tŷ ac yn cael y cyfle i gymryd rhan mewn nifer o gystadlaethau fel canu a dawnsio disgo.
Every year we have an art trip that goes to London. The art and photography team make use of the natural beauty around us and have visited Bodfach to capture autumn at its finest. Pupils have also attended a series of workshops at Oriel Art Gallery in Newtown. School trips are the strength of the school. There is a biannual trip to America by sixth formers and a yearly European ski trip.
Un o'r ffefrynnau pennaf ymysg disgyblion ydy ein trip blynyddol i eisteddfod ryngwladol Llangollen. Caiff yn disgyblion brofi cerddoriaeth a dawns o bob rhan o'r byd. Daw'r disgyblion yn ôl o'r trip yn llawn brwdfrydedd a gwerthfawrogiad llawnach o ddiwylliannau ar draws y byd i gyd.
Working in partnership with our parents is a vital part of school life. If as a parent you want to become more involved, you can always join our Friends of the School group who meet every half term. They plan and organise a series of fundraising events throughout the year. A highlight this year was the Fun Day held in July, where the whole community came together for a fun-filled afternoon. I really hope that you have a wonderful evening. I would encourage you to go around the department and take part in all the activities available. Do ask questions. You can come and speak to any of us, other members of staff, pupils and sixth formers.
Rwy'n siŵr y byddwch yn cytuno ein bod yn ysgol ddwyieithog gynnes iawn gyda'n drysau yn wastad ar agor sy'n ein gwneud yn ganolog i gymdeithas. Rydym yn annog ymddygiad gwych ac mae gennym ysbryd cymunedol cryf, athrawon gofalgar ac yn bwysicach na dim, blant hapus sydd â chyfleoedd i gyrraedd y potensial i fewn ac allan o'r dosbarth.
It is lovely to meet you all and we very much look forward to seeing you next September. Thank you so much for listening.
Diolch yn fawr am wrando mor astyd.